Hello everyone. If you like the content that I provide, do not forget to subscribe and like to receive all new things. Thank you. Taylor Swift was born on December 13, 1989, in Reading, Pennsylvania. She grew up on a Christmas tree farm with her younger brother Austin, and her parents, Scott and Andrea Swift. Taylor showed an early interest in music, and her parents encouraged her to pursue her passion. At the age of 14, Taylor moved with her family to Nashville, Tennessee, the center of the country music industry. She attended high school by day and spent her evenings and weekends playing at local coffee houses and clubs. Taylor was discovered by Scott Borchetta, a music executive who was starting his own record label, Big Machine Records. In 2006, Taylor released her debut single, Tim McGraw, which became a hit on country radio. Her self-titled debut album followed soon after and went on to sell millions of copies worldwide. Taylor's sophomore album, Fearless, was released in 2008 and marked her transition from country to pop music. The album won 4 Grammy Awards, including Album of the Year, and made Taylor one of the biggest pop stars in the world. Over the next decade, Taylor continued to release hit albums and singles, including Red, 1989, Reputation, and Lover. She has won numerous awards, including 11 Grammy Awards, and has sold over 50 million albums and 150 million singles worldwide. Taylor is known for writing and co-producing her own music, as well as for her personal and heartfelt lyrics about love, heartbreak, and growing up. Outside of music, Taylor is also involved in philanthropy and activism. She has supported various causes, including education, disaster relief, and LGBTQ rights. In 2019, she released a petition calling for the passage of the Equality Act, which would provide legal protections for LGBTQ individuals. In recent years, Taylor has also become more vocal about her political views, endorsing Democratic candidates and speaking out against systemic racism and police brutality. She continues to be one of the most successful and influential musicians of her generation, with a devoted fan base and a legacy that will endure for years to come. In addition to her music career, Taylor Swift has also dabbled in acting, appearing in films like Valentine's Day and The Giver. She has also made guest appearances on TV shows like New Girl and Saturday Night Live. Taylor has had a number of high-profile relationships over the years, including with fellow musicians like Joe Jonas, John Mayer, and Harry Styles. Her romantic life has often been a subject of media scrutiny, and many of her songs are believed to be about her past relationships. In 2016, Taylor began dating actor Tom Hiddleston, but the relationship ended after just a few months. She later began a relationship with British actor Joe Alwyn, and the couple has been together since 2017. Taylor has been open about her struggles with anxiety and body image, and has spoken about the pressures of fame and the media. In 2019, she released the documentary Miss Americana, which explores her life and career, and touches on themes of feminism, mental health, and the creative process. Despite her fame and success, Taylor Swift remains grounded and committed to her fans. She has a close relationship with her fans, whom she calls Swifties, and has often surprised them with secret shows and meet and greets. Her music and her story continue to inspire millions of fans around the world. In 2020, Taylor released her 8th studio album, Folklore, which she described as a departure from her previous pop-influenced sound. The album was well received by critics and fans alike, and debuted at number 1 on the Billboard 200 chart. In 2021, Taylor released her 9th album, Evermore, which she described as a sister album to Folklore. In addition to her music and philanthropic work, Taylor has also been involved in legal battles over her music rights. In 2019, Taylor accused music executive Scooter Braun of purchasing her former record label, Big Machine Records, and subsequently acquiring the rights to her master recordings. She claimed that she was not given the opportunity to purchase the rights to her music and that she was not consulted before the sale. The dispute sparked a heated debate over the issue of artists' rights and ownership in the music industry. Despite the challenges she has faced, Taylor Swift continues to be a major force in the music industry and a role model for young people around the world. Her music has touched the hearts of millions of fans, and her activism and philanthropy have made a positive impact on many lives. She remains one of the most successful and beloved artists of her generation, and her influence is sure to endure for years to come. Taylor Swift